What you get out of life is a multiplication of talent and effort. And early on, I didn't put the effort forward. So even though I may have had the talent, if you don't back that up with hard work, the outcome is still very little. And that took me a little while to realize. I just needed to learn that, and thankfully it didn't hurt me in the long run. In many ways, I use this to my advantage now when I talk to students, because a lot of them think that the faculty were all born with chemical engineering books in their hands, and I tell them that, well, maybe the others were, but I wasn't. And so I can sympathize with kids that need to really work hard at this. You still need to get it. There are different ways of quantifying how you get to that multiplication of talent and effort. If the talent is a little lower, which in my case it may have been, I just had to work harder. So that's what I do today too. A lot of it at this point in my career really comes from my students. They really deserve all the credit for this award. I know I'm the one that's being interviewed here, but they're the ones that do the vast majority of the work. In fact, the proudest point in any professor's career when you work with your grad students is at the point when they start teaching you rather than the other way around. That's usually when you know they're ready to graduate and when you least want them to leave. What we've always tried to do is focus on solving the problem and solving problems that are interesting rather than solving the problem that everyone else is working on and see if we could do it slightly better. I've never really gotten into the competition of saying we can solve this a few seconds faster than someone else. I'd rather be able to solve problems that no one has solved before.